Hello, world. Mr. Ash Mafare has done it again. Bless is the crowdfunding platform positioned massively, to completely change the fortunes of anyone who uses it. Onpassive is about to open the floodgates of Bless, and humanity is about to be blessed beyond anyone's imagination. Bless is the instrument, representing the very heart of Mr. Ash Mafare. Founders know the heart of Mr. Mafare. With Bless, the world will feel like founders feel about Onpassive and Mr. Mafare. Bless will benefit all who have wanted to show the love of neighbors. Bless will give them the means to do that. Bless has been designed to help those who have the means to give to humanity, because Bless platform does not take away from the donors the money intended for those who need it the most: the orphans, the widows, the homeless, the downtrodden, those who need someone or something to help them to survive. The countless and well-meaning charities will use Bless to reach those who need the help. Bless will be able to do that. Those other crowdfunding platforms are in trouble. The crowdfunding industry is a $114 billion industry, soon to explode threefold in the coming years to $300 billion a year. Those projections do not include the effect Bless will attract more donors, those who have been afraid to trust crowdfunding companies, who do not provide them with information as to where their money is being paid out. Bless is just one of the more than 50 products, comprising Onpassive's portfolio of state-of-the-art digital eye-enhanced technology. So, Bless does not depend on its user donors to pay hidden and got you with fees to use their platform. Bless is the conduit that delivers the donated funds from donors, to those who are intended to get them. That is the beauty of Bless, supported by this tech giant called Onpassive. Bless is pure genius. Why didn't other companies do what Bless has been designed to do? Because their business models reflect who the owners of those companies are: selfish and greedy. How much can we companies make with minimum effort on our part? So, people have avoided those companies. Those same people will be attracted to Bless, because it's putting people first. Those crowdfunding companies have gone past the point of no return. They cannot try to duplicate the Bless model, because that would destroy whatever is left of their reputation. When donors learn about Bless, they will flock to Onpassive's Bless platform. They will be able to trust Bless. Nothing human-made can stack up to Bless platform. Bless is truly transparent. When a business has been designed to uplift humanity, that business has nothing to hide. Bless is a disruptive platform for those who are in this crowdfunding space, but Bless is a comforter for all the millions who want to share their blessings with others. What an amazing gift to humanity. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mafare and family, and the technology and support staff in India, and the leadership council members from all over the planet. You have blessed humanity and all of us founders in Onpassive with your love and caring spirits. It is truly more happiness in giving than it is in receiving. Bless proves that point.